Not too far in the road. We're having a fantastic time up here. The quality of the food, it's incredible. She said fish and chips is something that we do, of course, especially in a spot like this. I mean, I love pizza, I really do. Right, okay, we're at the Salt Cellar in Lossiemouth. Now, it's not really a chippy, but they sell fish and chips, and they advertise fish and chips. So I'm going to try the fish and chips, and look at this view. Isn't it beautiful? But they do all kinds of things here. Pizzas. I think they've actually got somebody in there professionally making the pizzas, swinging the dough and all that kind of stuff. And I love a good pizza like that. But they do all kinds of food. Let's take a look at this. Okay. So I see where they're coming from. We've got the chips. We've got the angel cut haddock.
Hi.
How you doing?
Do you want us to make a video?
Yeah, get in the back here.
What is it?
No, that one. Get over here. Not too far in the road. You all right?
Yeah.
Sorry?
Where
Is
did you
that
get
garlic
it
or Lossy chips?
Just here. We're up here for about 10 days in these parts. So it's been really nice. It really has.
Check you out then.
Yeah.
Where can we find you online?
Yeah. Just type in the Chippy Tour and you'll find us on all kinds of social media.
Oh, wonderful.
Yeah. See you later. So, yeah, I was saying this angel cut. And I've seen this quite a bit up in Scotland. The haddock is really delicious. And the batter isn't as thick as it looks. It's got a nice crunch to it. And it's in need of a bit more salt. And we've got coleslaw. So I'm going to get some of that on the haddock and the chip. Been to a few places now where mushy peas isn't always on the menu. And garden peas, which I'm not a fan of, are. Chips are nice. Chips are nice, actually. Salad's nice and fresh. Go for some more of this haddock. I say, the only thing with it, it's a little oily. But it is tasty. And I love the freshness of everything up here. I really do. So, the lady inside said, I'm presuming she was the manageress, she said fish and chips is something that they do, of course, especially in a spot like this. But they do more on the pizzas, it seems. She says, you know, that's what they're actually making them right now at the end there. So they do it all with their own dough. And that's good too. So, I mean, I love pizza, I really do. So she's got a couple of wraps and a bit of salad. So we've left her with that in the cab. So we're having a really good time here. I'm going to try a bit of Stokes barbecue on this. That's done it. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to getting back up there to that part of Scotland. And some more of Scotland too. I want to really cover the whole of the country and Northern Ireland. So let's have a look at some reviews. 1 star. Noisy, service very slow, food never turned up, so we left. 2 star. Plenty of quantity, but little quality. Greasy, almost tasteless haddock, served with barely adequate fries and peas that were neither healthy nor whole. 5-star. Amazing small fish and chips with salad, peas and coleslaw. Couldn't have managed a large one. Really friendly people, an amazing view outside. Also a nice large teapot with plenty of tea. Thank you so much. Mine, 4-star. We called into the Salt Cellar because it had fish and chips displayed outside. The view from the outdoor seating area was lovely. The restaurant is large, with a healthy selection of classic dishes. I settled for the Haddock and Chips, which came with garden peas, fresh salad, and coleslaw. While the batter held on to a little oil, it was still crispy and tasty, and the haddock was a generous portion, fresh and delicious. The chips were okay, not great, but they certainly did the job, while the vegetable items were crisp and flavoursome. Overall, while the batter held a little oil and the peas were garden peas, the Salt Cellar offered a pleasant meal in a lovely setting, with the fresh, tasty haddock and stunning views being the clear highlights. Cooking in oil, payment, cash or card, fish reviewed, haddock. See you on the next one. Another beautiful bit of landscape here, and you can just see behind me where we got our fish and chips from. We're having a fantastic time up here. The quality of the food, it's incredible, it really is.
Culinary Johnny, I'm a food rock star. I'm the Chippy Tour, tasting it all. Beef fritter scraps, yeah, I answer the call. Savory scallops, deep fried dreams, keeping chippies alive, that's my team. Biggest fish, battered sausage on a roll. Fish cakes so good they'll nourish your soul. Squid so crispy, prawns in a crunch. A battered mushroom makes the perfect brunch. Deep fried pizza, yeah, wacky delight. Curry sauce pouring tartar inside. But every sharp story, it cuts kinda deep. As chippies fade away, it's hard not to weep. Oh, the landscapes I see, the people I meet. Seaside towns, cobble streets under my feet. The ups and downs, but I'll never despair. Gotta cherish